So hello friends, welcome to my channel Jobonimus, and in today's video we are going to discuss about Sutherland's massive recruitment drive and how Sutherland is related to Amazon. So if you are someone who is looking for a job in Sutherland or Amazon, you should watch this video till the end because you are going to get all the answers in this video. And in this video we are also going to discuss about the eligibility criteria for these positions, how you can apply for them, and the interview related questions and answers. So let's start today's video with the first thing, which is the first position known as the associate back office. So for this position, the eligibility criteria is that you can be a graduate or a 12 pass. You should have good communication skills, typing skills, and you should be well organized. Regarding the job description, see here you will be working with their artificial intelligence division. So what you will have to do is sometimes customers will call and they say what about their problem, and the artificial intelligence system of Sutherland detects what the customer is saying, but sometimes due to issue in language or accent, their artificial intelligence system is not able to understand what customer just said. So here your role will come into play. You will have to hear that conversation and enter the text where intelligence is not able to do so. So this will be your basic job role. So it will be a back office non-voice process kind of role. So if you are looking for this kind of job, you should apply. Regarding the interview rounds, these are pretty simple. First, they will check your typing. So if you have an average speed of around 25 to 30 words per minute, it is fine. Next, they can give you a simple essay to write to check your written communication skills, and then the HR interview. Now moving on to the next position. Here it is for associate internet. This is a voice based role where any graduate or 12th pass again can apply. You need to have good communications, good MS Office skills in Excel and Word. And if you are watching my video for the first time, I have already made a video on Excel skills which are useful for job interviews. So I'm giving the link in the description. You can go there and watch that video. Now, regarding the job description for this role, here see you will have to answer inbound calls to provide exceptional customer service. So it is a customer service kind of role, but you will be given additional responsibilities also. So it is more than customer service because here you will also have to respond to inquiries about product and services, process payments, or perform general account maintenance. So here you will also have to solve customer queries on the products and services, so you will have to understand about them, and regarding the payment processing, that you also have to do. Moreover, you will have to upsell customers to new products or services that is offered by Sutherland. So upselling also may be required in this, but you will not be given any sales targets, so it is not at all a sales job, but upselling may be required. Regarding the interview rounds, some people say that they had taken their aptitude test also, but it is not always taken. And even if it is taken, it is pretty simple. I am giving a link in the description box. You can watch the video for the aptitude test in Amazon. But here, their aptitude test will be even more simpler. Next, again, essay writing. They can definitely give you to check your communication. Round 2 can be a just a minute or group discussion depending on what kind of interview you are given. So if you are giving an individual interview via virtual call, it will be a just a minute round where they will give you a simple topic to speak on 1 minute. And if you have joined virtually, through Google Teams where many people can join, then a group discussion can also take place. Round 3 will be HR interview. We will discuss about these rounds later after all the positions. Now the last position that I am going to discuss is associate in e-commerce division. This is where the role of Amazon comes into play. So the relation between Sutherland and Amazon is that Amazon is a client of Sutherland. So if you work in this division for associate e-commerce, then you will be most likely working for the Amazon process. So people who want to go into Amazon are not able to get a job in Amazon, you can join this division of Sutherland, and then you may get a chance to work in Amazon's office, and you may also get a chance to interact with the employees of Amazon. There you can have friendship with them, ask about the open positions, and then pass their resume to them so that they can give your resume to the management. And by this way you can enter into Amazon from Sutherland. It happened with one of my cousins. He was working in Aricent, but he got a chance to work on a Google project, and once the project was over and he performed very well, so he was hired by Google, and he is now getting all the perks that actual Google employee gets. So this way you can move from Sutherland to Amazon also if you work in this division. Now, what is the eligibility criteria? Here any graduate or undergraduate can apply. So here I would like to clarify, undergraduate means people who are into their final year and are waiting their graduation result. 12 pass does not mean undergraduate, because some people get confused. Next, good communications, good MS Excel skills, and time management. Regarding the job description, this is will be more of a customer support role in voice based. So you will have to answer customer support calls for general queries, provide them quality customer support via telephone, and provide resolution as per policy and process in a friendly and efficient manner. So some policies and processes will be there that you have to follow. Maintain high level of expertise, soft skills, and telephone etiquette skills. Escalate appropriate issues to team leads. Now, interview rounds are pretty simple and same: aptitude or essay writing, just a minute or group discussion, and then the HR interview. Now, I will tell you about the interview questions. So, uh, essay interview topics can be: first, they can tell you to write about your dream vacation or your favorite movie or book. So, these are simple topics. You can write essays on that. uh, in just a minute, I have heard that most of the time they will tell you to speak on your college life for 1 minute, so you can prepare accordingly. Next, what if you go for group discussion, then they can ask this topic. This is a very common topic that they give you: what needs to be changed in India. So you can read about it and prepare, so that if they ask you, you are prepared. Then why Sutherland? So here I will like to highlight a very important thing, that Sutherland has one of the best work environments to work, if in a BPO kind of role, because here there is no stress, people are very polite. So this is one of the best companies to work if you want to work in an environment which is absolutely stress free. Next is they have Fortune 1000 clients. It is an MNC, so you will work with people of different cultures. Here they will give you a lot of multitasking skills, so you will learn a lot of new skills, and they have a very supportive environment. Next, they can ask you about your final year project. So here I have shared in other videos also. You have to be excited while speaking. Start with the problem statement and solution of your project. Don't go too much into technical details. Most important thing, highlight your contribution and teamwork. And lastly, remarks of professor and final marks. Next, what are your goals and aspirations? So goals are short term, aspirations are long term. So on goals, you should focus on the skill improvement. So you can say that you want to improve and own your skills like communication skills, interpersonal skills. Learn new skills from your experience while working in team and team management. Improve your knowledge about the working of company. So these things you can say in goals. And aspirations, you can say that you want to lead the team so that you can demonstrate your leadership in the future. Other interview questions can be: tell me about yourself, describe a conflict you had with one of your former colleagues or classmates, tell me about your weakness. So these three questions I have already covered in Genpact's video. I'm giving the link in the description box. You can get answers of all these three questions there. And lastly, why should we hire you? So for that, I have already made a big video where I have also given sample answers. Again, the link has been given in description. You can check that video. And for all these positions, again, I'm giving all the links in description. You can go there and just apply. Applying is very simple. You can either create an account on company or apply via LinkedIn. So friends, this was about this video, and I sincerely hope it would have been useful for you. So please do like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.